In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the top 5 common Asana mistakes teams make. Asana is a powerful project management tool, but many teams struggle to use it effectively. In this guide, we'll dive into those common missteps and look at simple solutions to rectify them, enhancing your team's productivity and workflow. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into Asana. Head over to the Asana website, which is simply asana.com. If you already have an account, click on Login to access your dashboard. Don't have an account? No worries. Click on Get Started or Try for free to set up your account before proceeding. Let's delve into the first common mistake. Teams often create tasks but fail to assign them to specific individuals. This oversight leads to confusion and tasks potentially falling through the cracks. The simple fix here is to always assign tasks to a team member. Additionally, set clear due dates and leverage the task description area to clarify expectations and provide necessary context. This simple step ensures everyone knows who is responsible for what and when. Next, teams sometimes forget to link related tasks. This mistake can cause significant bottlenecks, particularly when one task is dependent on the completion of another. To resolve this, utilize Asana's dependency feature. This handy tool ensures tasks are completed in the correct order, thereby maintaining a smooth flow in your project timeline. Our third common misstep is the creation of multiple projects for similar tasks. While initially it might seem organized, it actually makes tracking progression a bit of a mess. To correct this, consolidate similar tasks into a single project. Use sections, tags, or custom fields to keep everything sorted and easy to locate. This strategy not only reduces clutter, but also enhances visibility into the project's progress. The fourth mistake often encountered is setting up tasks without following up, resulting in unnecessary delays. To combat this, schedule regular check-ins using Asana's calendar or use reminders to keep tasks on track. Setting up these recurring touchpoints ensures that tasks are progressing as planned and any issues are addressed promptly. Finally, one more common error is manually updating tasks and workflows, a practice that consumes precious time and resources. Instead, take advantage of Asana's automation rules to streamline these processes. You can set up automation to manage repetitive tasks, such as assigning work or updating task statuses automatically. By doing so, your team can focus on what truly matters without getting bogged down by mundane, repetitive tasks. By avoiding these mistakes, your team can maximize efficiency and truly get the most out of Asana. Remember, a well-managed process leads to a more productive team, fostering an environment where everyone can thrive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.